Hey guys, and welcome to AJ's vlog. In today's video, we are going to be seeing an unboxing and assembly of a road bike. I know I'm a mountain biker, but I got an opportunity to check out this road bike. So let's unbox, assemble it and see how it is. While unboxing, please be careful because they do use these thick staples that can hurt. As usual, they put on the parts. So as I showed in the previous video, I'm not going to be cutting any of these tires. We will be taking it out carefully.
So AJ, which bike is this?
This is the, I think, Polygon Strattos. Fixing the handlebar, just make sure that it is equidistant and centered to the bike. Do not tighten fully. Do a finger tightening. Basically, that is just tight enough so that it doesn't move too much, and then adjust so that it is centered properly. It's centered and it's set up. Okay, ideally if you're looking at buying a road bike, you're not going to have a stand on it, so this is a good investment, as this can hold the bike up and you can park it and to service, everything becomes easy. Typically something you need to remember in all this, especially when setting up a bike initially, is that most of the bolts will not be tightened. The reason why they don't tighten the bolts is that they do not want things to get damaged in transit. They have given metal pedals, which will be nice, but then considering it's a road bike, ideally most people prefer to go with a clipped-in pedal. So that is an extra actuals, but it's really considered that they actually have given us pedals. Now once again, make sure that you use the right pedal for the right thing. It will be marked over here, it's embossed right and left. So it will be written here right or left. The threading is different on both, so check and make sure which you put the right one to the right one. Once again, a big shout out to the distributor of Polygon in India. He's given me one more amazing bike to assemble and try out. So you guys can expect another review after I actually use this bike for a couple of months. I'll use it and I will share a nice long-term review on all this. So that's it. Now you have to do a bike fit for yourself to make sure that the seat height and everything else is set up as per how you like it. This has a 8x2 setup with a Claris group set. The brakes are from Tektro, regular V brakes. It's an all aluminium bike, so it has, even the fork is aluminium. This is a good starter bike and I think it'll be nice for me to try out and see how road biking is. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and do share with your friends. And until next time, safe ride everyone.